In the bustling industrial hub of Gujarat, Reliance Industries Limited operates a sophisticated network of pipelines for transporting various liquids. Among the essential processes is pigging, a method used for cleaning and inspecting these pipelines. But with pigging operations come inherent risks that demand meticulous attention to safety. To ensure the safety and efficiency of their pigging operations, Reliance Industries conducted a hazard and operability (Hazop) analysis. This involved a multi-skilled team, including process engineers, operations personnel, maintenance technicians, and safety specialists, working together to assess every aspect of the pigging process. During the analysis, potential deviations from normal operation were identified. These included scenarios such as no flow during pigging, higher than expected pressure, leaks, and equipment malfunction. Each potential issue was carefully examined, and preventive measures were proposed to mitigate risks and ensure the safety of personnel and assets. Through active brainstorming and collaboration, the team recommended various safeguards, such as improved procedures and enhanced safety measures, to prevent accidents and operational disruptions. By proactively addressing safety concerns, Reliance Industries can minimize risks, protect the environment, and maintain the integrity of their pipeline infrastructure. In conclusion, the Hazop analysis conducted by Reliance Industries exemplifies their commitment to safety and operational excellence, ensuring the smooth and secure operation of their pigging facilities for years to come.